For the past 12 weeks, I've been providing our West St. Paul residents with weekly updates on our municipal response to COVID-19 on behalf of council, administration, and staff. I've shared the various proactive steps we have taken as a municipality to ensure the health and safety of our community members. We've been working with the province to share the most up-to-date information. We have suspended community programs and events, closed all municipal facilities, buildings, and play structures. I want to once again thank our Municipal Emergency Coordinator, Ken Azaransky, our CAO, and all staff members for ensuring our community has been well prepared during the pandemic and that all essential services have continued without interruption. As of June 1st, the provincial government's second phase of restoring safe services will come into effect. This is positive news as private businesses and government services gradually reopen. As part of this gradual reopening, the provincial health orders remain in effect around social distancing, groups of no more than 50 outdoors and 25 indoors. The province has also shared an extensive list of requirements that must be met and a risk assessment checklist to complete before any buildings are reopened and services resume. At this time, our West St. Paul staff are reviewing those guidelines and assessing risk. They are developing mitigation strategies that must be in place before any buildings and play structures are reopened and Sonova programs resume. Our Recreation Director, Demara Geddes, has been conducting a risk assessment and creating a safe program for our West St. Paul day camps. Day camp will be planned for this summer following the strict guidelines established by the provincial government. These guidelines limit the number of participants, include routine and frequent sanitization of all surfaces, and strict enforcement of physical distancing requirements. Registration for West St. Paul residents will begin on Wednesday, June 3rd, and for non-residents on Wednesday, June 10th. For more information on our day camp program and the safety policies and procedures that will be in place, please visit our West St. Paul website at weststpaul.com. Council members will continue to participate in our regular and planning meetings remotely with video conferencing. This meeting format will remain in place over the summer months to ensure the safety of our staff, council, and our residents. All planning meetings with planning applications will be available for residents to view live on YouTube, as we have done with the 3 previous council meetings. We want to ensure our decision-making remains open and transparent even in the midst of these challenging times. Please check our website for regular updates on our meeting dates and times. This week, Council will be holding a special meeting to give second and third reading to the Rossmore-Addis Avenue Sewer Extension Project. The proposed local improvement district was approved by the Municipal Board last week. If approved by Council this week, construction is set to begin west of the railroad tracks on or around June 4th and expected to be completed by the end of July. For the 22 properties in the proposed project area, this is a great opportunity to have sewer service installed down the street with a 50% grant of $228,475. I want to thank our staff for helping us host a live YouTube public hearing for this matter so we could help our residents move forward with this project and not lose funding during a global pandemic. We don't want to miss out on any grants that help our residents have access to more affordable services. Once again, I want to remind our residents that all our municipal buildings and play structures remain closed at this time while our staff conducts a risk assessment to ensure compliance with the provincial guidelines. The safety of our residents is top priority, and we won't open any buildings to the public or resume programs until we can mitigate the risks and ensure your safety. We will continue to send out email notices and share updates on our website and through social media. Thank you once again to each and every one of our West St. Paul residents for helping to minimize the impact of COVID-19. We all have an important role to play in preventing the spread of this virus and protecting our vulnerable populations. I encourage you to continue to follow the provincial health orders to help protect our loved ones, friends, and neighbors. Thank you.